At Notion, our mission is to help people build beautiful tools for their life's work. What AI has done is almost given us a different gear, new electricity, to make it even simpler. It's a really fun story. After COVID, we made our first company-wide trip. My co-founders, Ivan and Simon, had just gotten early access to GPT-4. The two of them essentially locked themselves in a room to prototype a version of Notion that taps into this GPT-4 API. By the end of the week, they had a prototype that was really compelling. Now they can speak in their own language. We've gone from people needing to learn software to just speaking in English and seeing a software emerge on the other side of that. It felt like it's not just a Notion product, but it was our combined product because it was really using OpenAI's APIs to launch that.
From internal usage to GA, it's 50% faster. And that speed actually allows our users to use it reliably. Ultimately, we do our work in a lot of places. And utilizing Notion AI, we've worked really hard with OpenAI to build lots of connectors and integrations. So today, your Notion AI isn't just connected to your Notion workspace. It's connected to GitHub. It's connected to Confluence. It's connected to Slack. And so when you ask a question, for instance, as an engineering manager, I have everything from who wrote the code, who put the design file in Figma, to what is the PRD. And utilizing our embeddings from OpenAI, we're able to make that retrieval really fast and very high quality. Unsurprisingly, when customers are using Notion AI, they're almost 2/3 as active on Notion than customers that don't. And from that, 3/4 of them say that they would never go back, that AI is integral into how they use Notion.
I think maybe the most fun part about this whole journey is that we are each other's customers. And so when OpenAI tells us that our Q&A product is really good, that gives us confidence that we've built something that is truly world-class. Of course, tapping into the power that OpenAI has provided.